The Westinghouse WGen 3600 CV portable generator with CO sensor is a convenient generator to keep you powered on the road or at your home during a power outage. With 4,650 peak watts and 3,600 running watts, this generator runs for up to 14 hours at a time with a 4-gallon, 15L, gasoline fuel tank. The WGen 3600 CV features a powerful 212 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV Westinghouse engine with a cast iron sleeve designed for durability, featuring a built-in fuel gauge and automatic low oil shutdown. It's equipped with an RV-ready TT30R30A outlet that conveniently hooks to your travel trailer, keeping the air conditioner and travel necessities up and running all day long with an L5-30R outlet and household duplex outlets. Without the addition of the wheel kit, this unit minimizes sliding when being transported. Rubber outlet covers provide added protection from the environment and rugged conditions. An intuitive control panel makes the WGen 3600 CV simple and easy to use with guided yellow touch points. The WGen 3600 CV features an advanced carbon monoxide detection system that continuously monitors carbon monoxide (CO) levels while the generator is operating. The generator will automatically shut down before CO levels detected near the generator become dangerously high. Customer ratings by feature: easy to assemble, 4.8 star, tech support, 4.2 star, maneuverability, 4.2 star, value for money, 4.2 star.